If you're in the market for a new learning, talent, and performance management system, invest in technology that can actually manage learning, talent, and performance. KMX is the only technology available that provides a fully integrated solution. KMX is offered as a hosted service or installed in your data center. Customers have complete control over the end-user experience, including features available by user role and authority. All KMX features, including administration, are available on all desktop and mobile devices. KMX provides 15 default and unlimited custom authority levels for program and personnel administration. With KMX, there's no need for third-party authoring tools that fail to provide adequate reporting detail. Our reporting technologies are far more capable than any other solution and provide full integration with Google Maps, extensive graph, chart, and visualization tools, all designed to provide a robust and configurable user experience. Visit www.kmsi.com to learn more.